A certain mission can be completed with the resources at hand if the correct people are assigned to it and they work together as a well-trained cohesive unit. In this video, we will showcase 7 brilliant innovations for special forces. If you don't want to miss any of these incredible innovations, keep watching the video. Number 1. iRobot PackBot 510. Let's now describe a well-known military robot that the United States military employs in Iraq and Afghanistan. iRobots, an American company involved in the US Army's modernization program, designed the device. The design's advantages are obvious. The PackBot 510 robot moves on caterpillar tracks with a distinctive mobile design. It enables the robot to safely overcome even formidable obstacles. In addition, the robot can be equipped with a 2-meter-long robotic arm, unlike the other reconnaissance vehicles we've examined today. It has a flexible design that enables the mounted camera to access even challenging places. The mechanical clamp expands the possibilities of the robot. It can reach up to 24 kilometers per hour and weighs 29 kilograms. Number 2. Doggo. This tactical combat robot was developed by the Israeli company General Robotics. Its purpose is to offer armed support to soldiers during counter-terrorism and other combat operations. The device has many benefits, including its compact size. The robot weighs less than 12 kilograms, making it simple to transport. The 9 tiny built-in cameras are responsible for the identification functions and provide a 360-degree view, but the most essential feature is the 9mm Glock combat weapon that can accommodate 14 rounds of ammo. This distinguishes this robot from all others, as it was designed specifically for this weapon and can only be utilized with it. Other similar robots are developed with the interchangeable combat components, among other features. Doggo is differentiated by its mobility, ability to traverse obstacles with its track system, and ability to ascend stairs. The internal battery allows for 4 hours of continuous use. Number 3. Wasp. The Wasp is a robot built by a Swedish business to counter underwater improvised explosive devices. Some personal details are excluded from this description. The device was supposed to search, carry, and destroy hazardous materials securely while submerged. The model was introduced in 2016, so you should be aware that until very recently, divers were the only option for deactivating underwater explosives. Consequently, the Marine Wasp marks a highly substantial change. This drone's 2 electric motors enable it to reach speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour. Number 4. PD-100 Black Hornets. The world's tiniest military drone looks like a toy. Small and high-performing, the PD-100 is a suitable identification device. Why have the US and 17 other countries bought these small drones? British military in Afghanistan attests to its value. The drone may be ready to fly in seconds with no setup. 20 minutes are needed to master the device. 16 inches long, 18 grams. It can travel 1.6 kilometers silently from its pilot with 3 cameras. A finger may control it with a customized remote. Real-time data transmission allows the battery to last up to 25 minutes. Captured drones don't save user data. The PD-100 Black Hornet's night vision and infrared camera improve agility. Drones can fly at 18 kilometers per hour unaffected by rain and snow. They can endure 12 meters per second winds. Number 5. GuardBots. GuardBots are detection systems that can be found on the ground. The circumference of this item is 60 centimeters, but make sure you understand, grass, sand, snow, and other harsh terrains are no match for a GuardBot's mobility. This unmanned surveillance robot can patrol an area, search for explosives, and identify chemicals. The robot's microphone picks up everything happening in its vicinity. Data in real time is available over encrypted channels. GuardBots generate 24 kilograms worth of waste. It has a 4 to the 6 hour range at 10 kilometers per hour on land and 5 kilometers per hour on water. Number 6. TCAT. This technology's developers hope to eliminate the need for human warriors. These conflicts will be remote controlled by humans. TCAT can replace a human fighting squad because it's fast and effective. So, what's TCAT? Duke Robotics created a drone with small weapons for counter-terrorism tasks. When a battle is close to residential areas, TCAT is particularly useful, and engineers are convinced it will reduce civilian losses. The drone's greatest strength is that it can carry practically any weapon into the air. Maximum weight is 10 kilograms. We shouldn't be astonished if these devices can recognize the opponent and shoot independently. For now, the circuit obeys the operator's directions. Number 7. Semisugv. This unmanned ground robot aids military and intelligence missions. Estonia's Milgrim Robotics makes this gear. Let's discuss the tracked hybrid modular infantry system UGV features. The machine has 12.7 mm and 40 mm machine guns. The operator uses a tablet-like device to control the apparatus and missiles. Streamlining control and selection has reduced operator fatigue and increased output. The robot's body is shielded to withstand armor-piercing weapons and anti-tank mine explosions. Launching a drone from the control panel broadens the picture. The robot can only go 24 km per hour on road, but it excels off-road. THEMIS can handle 61 cm water and 60-degree inclines. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the 7 brilliant innovations for Special Forces. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.